Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green apples. First, selecting the perfect spot is crucial for your tree's success. Look for an area that gets a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. The soil should drain well, with a pH level ideally between 6.0 and 7.0. Also, try to find a location that offers some protection from strong winds. Now, let's prepare the soil and plant your tree. Dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep as the container. If your soil is heavy clay or very sandy, mix in some organic matter, like compost, to improve it. Gently place the tree in the hole, making sure the graft union, that slightly swollen part, sits 2 to 4 inches above the soil line. After planting, initial care is vital. Water your new apple tree thoroughly right away to help settle the soil around its roots. For the first year, aim to provide 1 to 2 inches of water weekly, particularly during any dry spells. Also, apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around the base of the tree, keeping it a few inches away from the trunk. To keep your green apple tree healthy and productive for years to come, ongoing maintenance is key. Prune your tree annually in late winter to maintain its structure and promote good fruit development. In early spring, apply a balanced fertilizer, always following the package directions. Regularly check for any signs of pests or diseases and address them quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.